So today we have another Zoho product, and this is Zoho Social. This is what I use to post all of my social media content, videos, static images, GIFs, memes, all these different things. And you can connect all your channels, create one post and send it all out to all the different channels, set it up weekly, monthly, we'll go through the whole thing. So this is the home page of Zoho Social, pretty much like your dashboard. It shows you all the channels that you have, what's going on with your channels, all the people that's interacting with your social media platform. The next tab over, that's the home tab. The next tab over is your post tab. This is where you can see all the posts that you made. You can schedule out your posts, see all your scheduled posts that you have coming up, any approved posts. If you have a process that you setting up for you're working with a content management team, they create your posts and you have to approve it. It'll be here. Any post that didn't make the cut, like for some reason that Zoho couldn't post it, it'll be here. So you can either reschedule it or just delete it. I usually just delete it because it's already probably going to go out a week from now again anyway. And usually when that happens, a lot of times the channels get disconnected. So you got to go back to the connections and, connect the channels again. Drafts would be if you set up any drafts for someone to post later, and calendar give you the overview of all your content you have out there by type, what type of post type, what type of, is it going to be scheduled post, a published post already, or a post that hasn't been published, or a draft post, who created it, and the network type, what channel that's going to be posted on. So here you'll see all of these are posts that's going to be scheduled out for the future, and this is just October, and then we have November, and then we have December. So when I do a post, I don't schedule it out for 6 months, I just do 60 days. So that way I can show it 2 times. Depending if it's a blog, I do the blogs once a week, but I'll show you how to do all of that. So generally, if you have your post set up like this, all you have to do is go on there every couple of weeks and just make some changes to the post that you have. So the RSS feed is how it pulls all the blogs. If you have a website and you write blogs, this will pull all your blog pages directly straight to here, and you could create a post and then schedule it out. I'll show you how to do that later. So the social library will be where all your images, pictures, anything that you shared will be here. The next tab is messages. This is how you interact with your audience. You see what's in your inbox. Here you could assign, if you have more than one person in your company that's dealing with the Zoho, you could assign these tasks, because these are all leads that come into the system. Anybody that comment, anybody that like, anybody that share, anybody that interact with any one of my social media profiles, Zoho is going to pull that information and throw them into the CRM. And that's how you can start your cold reach out to get people to know who you are and to grow your business. Monitor shows you all your channels, like an overview of all your channels in one spot. Connections is where you can see all the leads that come in from all the channels, who's the most engaged from all the connections, who's following you on Twitter, your followers, the leads that go into your CRM, and what are the CRM contacts. Collaborate is if you're working with, marketing team, or you're working with someone else that's helping you post these content. This is where you would invite them. In your reports, give you the information about all your social media profiles. So this is where you can gauge and see what's going on with your social media platforms. In lead forms, you can create a lead form. Yeah, I never did this. This is new. So we're going to go through this right here real quick right now. And what a lead form is, this is how you can capture leads, so that way you can market to them and grow your business. Okay. So with lead chain, this is syncing all your leads from different platforms straight into Zoho. Nice. That's new. I'm gonna have to do a video on that so you guys can understand how to get these leads, how to nurture these leads, how to get people to like you so they can just give you all their money. So let's go back to post and let's look at the calendar, right? So on the calendar, today's date is the 16th. So let's do a post for the 18th, right? So I want to just post a blog so I can show you how you can schedule it out. So I'll go to my RSS feed and I'll go to the latest blog, because it'll also tell you if it's been posted. It'll tell you right here. So I'll create a new post. It'll automatically give this information. Here you can select all the channels that you want. Select all the channels. This is Threads, TikTok, YouTube, Google profile, Pinterest, Instagram, personal LinkedIn page, business LinkedIn page, Twitter, now X, and Facebook. So the reason why this is flashing, because this is a static image. You can't post static images on TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. It's because the resolution is not the same. It's more 9:16 for Pinterest. And for the Instagram account, it's looking for a picture. So what images are you going to use for this profile or for this post, I would say? So it doesn't like Instagram. It doesn't like the resolution size for Instagram. So we take Instagram off. So here you see this long link right here. We could shorten the link up. It'll shorten the link up. It'll take the title of the blog and add it to it. You could put more information if you want to. Actually, you could put alternate text. You could say something like smart home security or whatever alternate text that you would have for your post. You could put emojis, hashtags, the G button. This learn more, sign up, order online, book. This is how you can send them to your website. I'll put the link of the blog right here. Click add. Everything else, you could put this information here if you want to add a UTM parameter. If you want to send a direct message with your Twitter post, you want to add a location. Yeah, we can add a location. You can add a location. If you have a team, you can send it for approval here. It'll go into that approval tab. Then the next person there will go and approve the post so they can schedule it. So you can schedule it for a specific day. And here we said we're going to do this on the 18th. We want to do this during the day. So that way we make sure people will read it. So 8:48 a.m. is fine. Here's the gem right here to repeat this post. You can repeat this post weekly or monthly. So if you repeat it weekly, you can repeat it. So look, I'm already in January 2026. So we could repeat it till January 2026, this weekly post. So every week at 8:48 a.m. starting on October 18th and every week after, it will repeat this post for the next 2 years. So that's how this Zoho Social works. Or you could do it monthly. So that way it will post once a month on the 18th of every month. And how many months do you want to do? I don't know. Let's go to the end of the year, or let's go to August 18th. Boom, done. And all we got to do from here is schedule it. And the more you use Zoho Social, you'll start having analytics. So you could find what your best post time is. It'll give you like a 4 or 5 day future best post times. It'll let you know when your audience is most active on whatever social media profile. So if you want to use something like this, you could use this as well, or you could schedule out your post, or you could just post it right away. Here's your settings where we could brand your material, add your logo, your name, time zone, add all of your social media channels, whatever channels you have. If there are any the brand members, which would be only you, publishing parameters, some hashtags that we use for our business, roles and permissions, user roles, types of notifications, type of inbox preferences. So we could set up automations for when people comment, people like, things like that. When they interact with your social media profile, something like mini chat, this can do the same thing. Then we have lead generation. Here is a good tool. So I'm saying on some social media action settings, if anyone likes my ad, make them a lead. If they say nice, great, they say fire, help, I want a security system, any of these keywords, if people are saying these keywords around my social media posts, Zoho is going to snatch them up, put them into the CRM, so that way my team can outreach to them, sell some products, sell some services, or get them just to sign up to the newsletter. Create tickets. Zoho has a ticket creation app called Zoho Desk. And this is like, when you call into a company and the operator answers and they say, hold please, and you'll be on hold for 3 minutes. That's what Zoho Desk is. So Zoho Desk is something like a call center to help route your calls and help assist customers through the process if they need any help. So it creates tickets, it creates events, so that way you can reach out to your customers if they have any issues with your service or they're trying to sign up. So that's pretty much Zoho Social. If you're interested in getting yourself Zoho Social or any one of the Zoho One platforms, this is a great tool for your business. It helps you organize your business. It has some of the apps that Zoho have. We're going to go through a few of the apps, right? I'm not going to go through all of them. Let's go through a few of them, right? So when it comes to your business, so let's start at Zoho Desk, right? And this is what I mean, desk. The desk is you could say like Zoho Desk could be like your call center. So anytime I miss a phone call from my phone system or even on my cell phone, email that come in, anything that comes in, it's going to create a ticket for it inside Zoho. So if somebody's commenting on my social media profile, here I could go into it, and then I could either go further with this comment, like reach out to this person or whatever. Then I could set a status of it. Like I reached out to them, they wasn't interested in cameras, so I'm gonna just close this status. So this is what Zoho Desk is, more or less like your help desk for your business, more or less. So anything that happened, if you miss a call, you could find it here. What else we got? So Zoho Booking. bookings. So say like you want to get people to call you up, you want to have a one-on-one meeting, phone call, they could book you here. It comes up with its own little website, create your own booking page. So this would be like the main booking page, give you a breakdown who you are, the types of services, how long you want to be on the phone. And if you want to charge, you could charge here as well. You can charge here too. If you want to charge, you could charge to have people call you, and a little consultation, you could do that as well. Right here is just free. I'm giving out free services. If you want to talk about, cameras, fire alarm, or home automation, you need some help. You want to find the right system. You got a installer that's giving you problems, and whatever. You holler at me and I give you the right answer. Marketing and automation. This is what you would connect to your website. You will have a lead form connected to your website. That lead form will then go into a list to populate all your leads, and then from that list, you'll take them into a journey. So let's start up. So you have your lead form. So this lead form will then, once they sign up, it will put them into a list. Once they're entered into a list, then it will go into an automation. And then that automation will then send them a series of emails like so. This is what an automation would look like. So this is what I use for my website. And then there's another one called Campaigns. And Campaigns is how I send out pretty much all my campaigns. Like if I have a new product we're going to release, I'm sending emails out through Campaigns, or I'm running a campaign through Campaigns. So Zoho Marketing is to capture my leads and to nurture my leads, and I use Zoho Campaign, showcase more products, talk about the new company, talk about the new employees. If I have new employees, talk about the new business. This is where I share all the good news and products and services on this side. Same process. You create the list, the form, all the way down to the automation. So here, I have a little bit more automations on this side because of the packages that we sell, the secure packages, the alarm systems, the different types of packages we selling for securities. And if you have stock, you have Zoho Inventory, Zoho Books. If you don't have QuickBooks or FreshBooks, whatever accounting software, you have Zoho Books. Zoho Click is like exactly what it sounds like. You know what I mean? Like your team members. This is your social media for your business, for your organization. So everyone in your company can be on Click. It's like instant messaging, if that makes sense. That's what Zoho Click is. Zoho Analytics. This is how you get your KPIs. This is how you can measure how many people is visiting your website. This is how you could measure how many leads you're getting. This is everything inside analytics. Assist, for me, this is how I use it with technicians. So if a technician is having a problem in the field, I'll load up Zoho Assist. It'll connect to their phone. I'll be able to see what they're doing, and then I can help them step by step in the field straight from wherever I'm at around the world. SalesIQ connects to your website, and it also gives you a chat bot for your website. Zoho Forms, you can create forms. You can manage your projects. If you have, like for us, we have multiple projects. We can manage our project here. It's like project management software. You could also manage your clients and customers at the same time if you want to use Zoho Projects. Zoho Recruit, this is your own recruiting software. This is how you could hire new people. It gives you a whole website you could design for yourself. You could post jobs. People could come apply for the jobs, and it'll take them through a process. Let me show you what the website look like. We get some applicants, you know what I'm saying, John? We are looking to hire a couple new staff members. So this is what the website looks like. And if you go to my website, it'll be in the home folder. When you drop down that menu, it'll say jobs assist, and it'll take you to this website. And here's my chat bot. You can find matching jobs. You can register to the portal. We have people, we have things that can help. So I'm gonna hit a couple more. So another good one is Zoho Meeting. This is where you could set up your Zoom calls. When you want to talk to your clients, bring your clients on board. Like Zoho has all the tools you need to run your business. You don't need 100 different apps to make your whole business cohesive. Zoho One will give you everything that you need to run your business at one price. This costs me $40 a month for all of these tools. Around $40 a month for all of these tools, one person. Get yourself on it, man. And it is $40 per person, but if you're making money, it's okay. But for one person, all of these tools for one person, perfect. This is how you can make your small business look as large as the larger corporation. So that's Zoho Social, man. If you want to learn more about these tools, let me know in the comments. Peace.